हेलो 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 गाइस। तो आज मैं आई हूँ एक स्किन केयर वाला वीडियो। मतलब पहले आउटफिट देख लो और एक ब्लैक आउटफिट भी पड़ी है नीचे, उसे भी देख ही लो। एंड आज मैं बताने वाली हूँ ये कौन भाई, हाँ मैं ही हूँ। सो आज का वीडियो विल बी अबाउट रीस्टॉकिंग माई स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स। और पहले ही मैं माइक सेट कर देती हूँ क्योंकि मुझसे कोई और चीज़ तो सेट हो नहीं से रही। सो हे माय लिटिल क्यूटी। सो टुडे मैं व्हाट क्या बोलती हूँ मुझे खुद नहीं पता रहता, सो जस्ट इग्नोर मी, ओके। बट डोंट इग्नोर माय वीडियो। तो आज मैं आप लोग के लिए लेकर आई हूँ ये वीडियो। एंड टुडेज वीडियो इज गोना बी अबाउट अनबॉक्सिंग माय 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 रीस्टॉक्ड स्किन केयर थिंग्स। सबकी रात। सो यस, तो अब मैंने माइक कनेक्ट किया। सो यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि व्हाई एम आई होल्डिंग, मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है व्हेन आई एम होल्डिंग दिस माइक बिकॉज मुझे फिट करती हूँ, तो आई गेस कि मेरा जो आवाज़ है वो थोड़ा सा उड़ जाता है। तो so today, yes, I'm gonna show you all the skincare things that I actually, I feel that works for me, and I think it will work for you too. So, and I just love those products. And उसके 2-3-4 डब्बे तो मैंने खत्म किए होंगे, इसीलिए I'm restocking it again. And चलो, let's just do it. सब गिराती रहती हूँ बस। तो मुझे एक तो मेरा कैमरा एंगल समझ में नहीं आता कि how should I keep my camera, ठीक है। And also, I have a very interesting thing for you, which is this tripod. I bought this tripod and you won't believe the price of it. This is just under 400. Can you believe it? तो अभी तो फिलहाल मैंने टेबल पे सेट किया हुआ है। सो सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन, मेरे पापा जी आ गए थे ज़रा ताकने जाकने के लिए। सो नाउ येस, आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ट्राइपॉड एंड I've got this light. This is amazing, right? इसका मैं अलग सा वीडियो बनाऊंगी definitely, and I will be dropping the link in the description of that videos, that short videos. So पता the most biggest problem मैं जब वीडियो बनाती हूँ वो ये रहता है कि I don't know, should I look at my face in the video or should I look at the camera? तो फिर बाद में मुझे पता चलेगा कि I should look at the camera if to give that feel that I'm looking into your रूह। खुद के जोक्स पे हंसने की बहुत आदत हो गई मुझे, so don't worry guys, that's okay. तो this is an amazing a worth it product that I bought. शायद मुझे इसका भी अनबॉक्सिंग करके बताना चाहिए था आप लोगों को, but खैर। So let's just move on to the products I have restocked right now, the amazing products.
So इसके बीच में मम्मी जी ने मुझे थोड़ा सा खाना ला के दे दिया for to eat, and this is appam guys. So this is from Kerala. I don't know if you guys would know. And जो पीछे से चिल्लम चाली चल रही है, this is of महाशिवरात्रि. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारी सिंगर आंटी लोग हैं जो खुद को सिंगर समझती है, बट है नहीं, बट स्टिल क्यूटीज गा रही है पीछे, so that's the noise.
I have got to the parcels with me. Can you see me? Yeah. So I've got these two parcels and I'm gonna open one by one. Really समझ में आया था. I just start shooting something and my story just. So I have this parcel first. So I'm gonna open this first and let's see.
कुछ मिला नहीं तो मैंने ये ले लिया, तो just now press through. So we have opened it and इसके ये मुझे एकदम वो वाला सेंड लग रहा है, इसके अंदर अलग एक बॉक्स दिया है गाइस, ये लो हमने this box, इसके अंदर है, yes. So let's see. So let's open this one. So can I have to take this?
So opened it. Oh my god! I've got my parcel. जितना parcel आता है उतना तो मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को भी देख लूँ तो मुझे खुशी नहीं होगी जितना मैं अपने parcels को देख के होती हूँ. So this is every girl's thing. So don't judge me guys. And इसमें so yeah, whatever's telling you is क्योंकि बीच में storage का issue रहता है guys. Android phone problem. तो yeah, so what I was telling is मैंने दो मतलब मैंने एक साथ ही सब ऑर्डर किया था, but the products came in two section, so I had to keep after the first one arrived, the first parcel arrived, I had to wait for the other one to come so that I can just make this unboxing video. तो मैं पता नहीं कि मैं अपने रूह से चाहती थी कि मैं उसे अनबॉक्स करूँ, मैं चेक करूँ कि क्या है इसके अंदर and how the products arrived. मैं अब तक चेक नहीं किया है. So let's just do and let me just show you guys what all things came. So first is this and this is Moxie. So this is Moxie guys, and yeah, so this is Moxie's क्या बोलते हैं ऐसे अरे कहाँ गया ये? हाँ, दिस इज मॉक्सी एंड दिस इज अ कर्ल ब्रांड, द कर्ल स्टाइलिंग ब्रांड। मुझे नहीं पता सिर्फ कर्ल के लिए है क्या, बट आई ऑर्डर दिस। बट इसका मैंने एक ही बार मैंने यूज किया इसका प्रोडक्ट, बट आई लव्ड इट वेरी मच। एनी कर्ली गर्ल, हाँ, एनी कर्ली girl out there can use their products. This is absolutely good. अब मैं आपको खोल के भी बताती हूँ कि how it is actually. Just first open it. एक हाथ से सारा ऐसे लग रहा है पा ही मैं लिंगेशन बन गई हूँ। God. Okay. Just opened it and I'll show you guys how it looks. सब एक हाथ से कर रही हूँ मैं। Okay. I just love their product. I don't know why, and I'll show you why I love. And I guess this is the experience of every other customers they have, maybe, because and I'll show you how why we feel special about it. And I have received, these two products. I got these two products. I'll show you. Flexi Styling Serum Gel. मतलब ये तो नहाने के पहले भी तुम कर सकते हो, नहाने के बाद भी तुम कर सकते हो। whenever you would feel that you अभी तुमको वॉश नहीं करना है बाल, but yet you want to style your curly curls क्या बोलती हूँ मैं यार, हाँ, so if you want to style your curls you can just use this. And other thing is weightless leave-in conditioner. Yes, now you can see it. So this is the weightless leave-in conditioner and this is Moxie's Flexi Styling Serum Gel. This works absolutely good and this is recommended by me, guys. You can just, this is approved by me, and if you want to just go out and buy this is not sponsored. This is the first thing I have to tell you guys. This is not sponsored. Any of the products that I'm showing you is not sponsored. It is just because I love those products. I have used it and now मेरा जो भी products है वो खत्म हो गए, and that's why I just restocked it. I brought it again. And the main reason why I tell you guys why I love this brand is because this thing ये भले ही इतना छोटा है, this is not small for me at least. This is very much. I'll show you why I love it. Okay, गिर गया guys. Okay, so इसके अंदर से निकाला है मैंने this things and I'll show you what it is. So यहाँ पे this is all about the founder and everything. This is all about her. And you know what these are? These are stickers, individual stickers that I can remove and paste it anywhere I want. And this is so cute. I love it. And this is all about their products, explaining their products, all that brochure type thing. I love it. And again, something that just made me so to be called Moxie Beauty character. So this is, a very small thing, but yet a very cute thing and yet very interesting thing to make your customers feel good to make. And this is, like sticker. This is stickers, individual stickers that is removable from, from this, and you can just paste it somewhere else. Absolutely crazy stuff that you can ever give to your customers. So yeah, and this is amazing, guys. I just love Moxie. Moxie, please send me some PR so that I can use every products. I'm just kidding. So this is for dry. It is also written in it. Okay, it is for dry, frizzy, wavy, and curly hair. Anybody can use this. Anybody. बहुत ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ, फिर मैं खुद ही थक जाती हूँ. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों, बट थकती हूँ मैं, बट फिर भी बोलूँगी. I'll continue speaking. तभी मेरे दोस्त लोगों ने मुझे कहा कि अलीना कंटेंट क्रिएशन करो. तुम्हारी फ्यूचर दिख रही है उसमें. Why? Because I just keep on. Okay, I'll just move to the second thing without wasting any of my time. Okay, so this is the second product that I've received. This is Wish Care sunscreen. Yeah, now you might see it. This is Wish Care sunscreen, and if I'm gonna speak, what uncomfortable position में बैठी हूँ मैं, पता नहीं क्यों. Okay. So if I'm gonna speak about this is absolutely a nice sunscreen for dry skin girlies, or this. And after applying, this is light and matte, and this has oats extract, zinc, PCAs. I don't know what this is spelled as, is Sika or Kika,
A few moments later.
whatever, and ceramides. So I'll just take the product out. So the product, and if I speak about this sunscreen, this is absolutely a worth it product. You should go for it, and the price for this is only $4.99. You can just go buy it. 500 में sunscreen, and which is absolutely like works like moisturizer, like a sunscreen, like a lotion, like an hydration to your skin. ये जैसे ही लगाते हैं, it gives you a glow. I don't know why it gives you a glow, but it does give you a glow. And one just, one thing that I just don't like, नहीं बोल सकते, I see it's not that great is जो भी sweaty people होते हैं, the people who sweat more, they might have some issues with this because it makes you feel more sweaty. This is absolutely a trustworthy product and I love it. बहुत सारे सनस्क्रीन्स मैंने यूज किया. आई जस्ट मेक एन अनदर स्पेशल वीडियो फॉर सनस्क्रीन्स ओनली, एंड इसके लिए भी मैंने अलग सा शॉर्ट बनाया है. यू कैन जस्ट गो चेक आउट इन माय चैनल. Okay, so I'll just keep this aside. The next thing I received from it is this. So you won't understand, like, this is Inuvix massager लिखा है इसमें तो, but I just I dropped it. Anyways, तो मुझे पता नहीं ये निकल ही नहीं रहा. हाँ, निकल गया finally. Okay, so you can see मुझे ऐसे होल्ड करना पड़ेगा. Wow, इसके अंदर से I just got a new thing. Ooh, that's crazy. ठीक है, बचकांडी हरकतें करना कोई मेरे से सीखे. So I have adopted. So this is guasha, a stainless steel guasha that I received in Inuvik का guasha. था सेम ऐसे एक स्टील का guasha, but I just went for stay or something at my best friend's place, so that's where I left it, and I don't remember where it is now. So I thought of buying this, and this is absolutely a lifesaver for you if you have issues of having face fat while you wake up in the morning and everything. तो ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही बढ़िया lifesaver होगा तुम्हारे लिए. And for a gua sha massage tutorial, I'll just make another special video for it, so to show how I do gua sha massage every morning. तो एवरी मॉर्निंग तो नहीं होता गाइस, क्योंकि मेरा नाइट शिफ्ट होता है. आफ्टर नाइट शिफ्ट आई कम स्लीप और मैं उठती दोपहर को हूँ, एंड दैट इज माय रियल मॉर्निंग. तो अभी भी दिस इज माय एक्चुअली सोने वाला टाइम, बट नाउ आई एम नॉट स्लीपिंग, आई हैव टू अपलोड. सो मैं जगी हूँ और अगर मुझे सोना है, मतलब मुझे नींद तो बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है, बट हमारा वीडियो और हमारी बच्ची होती तो नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. सो इसीलिए या सो दिस वाज द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दैट, एंड दिस इज, और इसे हमेशा कीप इट इन फ्रीजर, और जब भी यू विल हैव टू यूज इट, वॉश इट फर्स्ट एंड देन यूज इट. इट इज वेरी 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 अ लाइफ सेवर, very much of a big lifesaver. So this was the last product that I had to take from that box. Just keep it aside, and this is the time where we are gonna open the other parcels, the other box. So इसको actually मैंने cut किया था पहले, so it is actually बस एक many products inside it. So you can see there are amazing products in it. I know. क्या निकालूं पहले ले? Time pass कर रही हूँ बस. Okay, so I'll just take this one first. So this is Plum's body lotion. I love it. Any body lotion against this is not gonna win, because for me, at least for me, this is a body lotion that makes me smell like vanilla, caramel, chocolate, musk. I don't know, but this is craziest thing I have put off my heart, and I'm so happy I received this. So just remove this cap. There is a cap which comes in with this, so that whenever you're storing it somewhere or keeping it somewhere in your drawer, maybe in a cupboard, wardrobe, or anywhere. So yeah, अब open हो गया है. So this is how it comes, and मैं थोड़ा सा लगाती हूँ यहाँ पे. Oh my god, ये लगाते ही इसका जो smell है ना, it likes see, it just moisturizes your skin so well, and this moisture just stays for so long. It feels nice. The smell is good. Wow. This smells good, yeah. This smells good. So you need to purchase this, guys. Matlab, you need to buy this. This is absolutely crazy thing. This is Plum's Body Lovin' Vanilla Caramello body lotion with cocoa butter. So that is the reason it gives you, like a vanilla sort of smell. बता रही हूँ. Is this? ये तो मतलब ऐसे आ गया था. Pond's. This is Pond's Hydra Miracle Hyaluronic Super Light Gel. So even ये भी एक ये एक जेल है नॉर्मल. दिस इज नॉट लाइक अ मॉइस्चराइजर और एनीथिंग. दिस इज जस्ट टू कीप योर स्किन हाइड्रेटेड, and I'll show you. This is like super light, super light. You won't even feel. You just open this thing in this to see. This is super light. This is like a blue in color sort of thing. इसके अंदर ऐसे दिखता है. अभी मैंने ओपन किया है, and this has no sort of like much of stronger smell like a body lotion like this, nothing. So there is no like smell. But this is also kind of very good purchase that I've ever did. इसका तो अभी 3 डब्बे हो गए. This is the third bottle that I've got. इसका ये मतलब हाइड्रेट करके रखता है फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. This is not something that finishes, but this is something that you need to change in like after every 2 weeks maybe. I'll show you. Wait. Sabaga pal meeta hota, guys. So I'll show you. So this is a exfoliating gloves. चढ़ाने का कोशिश करिए. So this is an exfoliating gloves. ये इसका मतलब एक टेक्सचर है एक्चुअली. A kind of a rough texture, so that your whole dead skin in your dead skin removes, and तुम्हारा जो body skin है it feels very much soft. So this is also a very good purchase that I've ever did. So this is also the third time I'm changing this gloves, and I've got this is it. So this is the next thing I have bought. This is Rennie's Everyday Face Bright Face Wash. So I guess before this I should show you something else. Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser. So I will always recommend this cleanser to every girlies out there. Gentle cleanser is for from dry to normal and dry to normal and sensitive skins. So for oily skin there is a different cleanser that they have, so Cetaphil will have. So for oily skin girlies, so they can go for that wala cleanser, and for the dry to normal skin or sensitive skin girlies can use this gentle cleanser. But I'll always recommend to go out, buy this cleanser. This is a lifesaver. So sometimes I do double cleansing. So for that I use this after that face wash. तो मैं दो face washing करती हूँ, 2 बार करती हूँ. So the second time I use this वाला face wash, and this is also
A few moments later.
um
1 hour later. 1 eternity later.
a good purchase that I've did. This is for all skin types. Anybody can use this. I recommend this, guys. I recommend this both face washes. So this combo works absolutely. You don't have to work about breakouts. You don't have to work about acne's or anything. This is not sponsored, first of all, okay? So don't comment that it's sponsored. That's the reason you're not recommending all these products. No. And the next thing that I have in my box is this. Is this something this is not something very much trendy, or this is not something very much aesthetic like, or the products that went so much viral like Wish Care sunscreen or body lotion, the Plum's body lotion. It's not like that. This is apart from all those things, but this belongs to skincare. So this is Kerala Ayurveda Nalpamaradi Keram. This is sort of an oil, Ayurvedic oil, but I'll tell you how this works. You will have to apply this for about 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes before body washing or before bathing, before the shower. And shower के टाइम अच्छे से वो ऑयल को क्लीन करना with your soap or whatever you use, body wash or anything, body scrub, anything. So you have to wash it, and later when you check your bodies, जो भी tan होगा, even if it's a tan from 1 day or 10 days, a week, a month, a year, it would definitely remove those tan. And this has worked for me so well, you won't believe. मतलब जो भी मेरा tan था, मेरा body tan था, I have never used it in my face. I don't know about the face. This is Ayurvedic. You can still use it in face, I guess, but आई डोंट नो गाइस, मेरे भरोसे पे यूज़ नहीं करना अपने फेस पे, क्योंकि मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया है. आई डोंट नो अबाउट द फेस, बट ऑन योर बॉडी, द होल बॉडी, मैंने अपने गर्दन तक यूज़ किया है, बट मेरे फेस पे नहीं यूज़ किया. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, मे बी आई वाज टू स्कैर्ड फॉर इट. तो yes, so this is one thing that I've purchased from this is all from Amazon. Okay, मैंने नायका से नहीं, क्योंकि because I won't get all these sort of things from Nykaa and Tira, so I thought कि मैं सारा भी जो भी चीज़ लूँगी सब Amazon से ले लूँगी, so that would be great. So this is a very good oil. This is Ayurvedic, so you don't have to worry about any side effects, any acne, breakouts you're gonna get. Just make sure that you are cleaning your body really well when you're showering after applying this oil. And the best one for the last one. So you would know this was very much viral in between, I don't know when. So this is Dow's body scrub. No, this is exfoliating body polish, brown sugar and coconut butter. गोमेज एक्सफोलिएंट पोले कॉर्प्स, मुझे नहीं पता ये सब क्या लिखा हुआ है इसमें, मुझे सब यही समझा है. एक्सफोलिएटिंग बॉडी पॉलिश, ब्राउन शुगर है, कोकोनट बटर, उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं समझा इसमें क्या लिखा है. बट गाइस, ये इतना डब्बा में कितने दिन से छुटकियों में खत्म कर देती हूँ. दिस इज दैट प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज बेसिकली अ बॉडी स्क्रब. एंड ये जो मैंने लिखा है, इट हैज टू वेरिएंट्स. फर्स्ट इज पोमेग्रेनेट वाला, एंड सेकंड वन इज दिस, व्हिच इज ऑफ ब्राउन शुगर एंड कोकोनट बटर. एंड द स्मेल ऑफ दिस, आई रियली वांट अ परफ्यूम व्हिच वुड हैव द स्मेल ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज ये मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ how this smells, but you guys have to buy and try it out. This is absolutely the way it makes your skin feel so better, so baby like skin. And just when ये हम shower करते हैं तभी लगाना होता है. You have to exfoliate, just rub it gently after applying it, और बस धो देना. And before exfoliating, if you are showering in a steam, मतलब थोड़ा सा गर्म पानी में नहा रहे हो, सो इट विल बी मोर बेटर, सो दैट योर स्किन इज थोड़ा सा मतलब वार्म हो जाए, एंड फॉर एक्सफोलिएटिंग इट विल बी मोर इजी फॉर यू. तो आफ्टर एक्सफोलिएटिंग, जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू मॉइस्चराइज योर स्किन रियली वेल, and this product is absolutely gonna work for every skin types, I swear. And this is my 5th bottle. Can you believe it? तो मैंने सबसे पहली बार मैंने pomegranate वाला ट्राई किया था, and later they bought this variant also, that is for the brown sugar and coconut butter. तभी मैंने ये ले लिया, and now I'm the fan of this. This feels so yummy, and the texture of it, I think I should show you guys. Texture of it is so like, मतलब this is like so, मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि मैं पी जाऊँ literally. Okay. So this was one of my purchase, and I swear guys, कि this works absolutely good, absolutely, I swear. तो मतलब, so this was the last product, unfortunately, to show you guys. So इतने सारे products मैंने restock किए आज. So these were the list of products that I bought this time, I restocked this time. अभी और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो खत्म होना बाकी है, एंड उसके बाद मैं वापस से रिस्टॉक करूंगी, एंड मे बी आई एम गोना मेक अ पार्ट 2 of all the products that I use. So if you want that, just comment below, and I will be definitely sharing the part 2 for the restock products that I use. Until then, just check on the products that I mentioned in this video, and I'm gonna mention the link in the description, so that it will be more easy for you to go and check out for the product. And just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, so that you don't miss any of such skincare, motivational lifestyle, and many such videos that I upload. मुझे नहीं पता मैं कब अपलोड करती हूँ. So whenever I upload, I just hope that you receive the notification for it. So just make sure that you turn on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. So we'll see you later, and till then, bye bye cuties.